Here is the LaFika cold brew ultra dual coffee filter, or also you can make some iced tea off that, or hot tea, because it has an infuser and filter inside. This is really nice because it's BPA free. You can see the inside, it has a little bit of a measuring side over here, so you can see your ounces or your milliliters, and just really quality. It sits really great. It has an amazing handle. This thing looks elegant. It's great if you have an office or an event that you want to have cold brews at. I mean, you can even just put regular coffee and take that infuser out of there, or your teas. So before we take the lid off, the lid is really cool because it's spill proof, and when you're pouring, you just have to hold down that and it kind of opens it up so you can pour. Otherwise it won't come out, which is great. That's awesome. So taking the lid off here, you can access the infuser or the filter here, and you can put that in here to put your coffee grounds or your tea in there, and then you can pop that in there, pour your hot water in, and then drop this in, and it's going to brew it. It's going to be your cold brew machine, nice and cold. It keeps it cold, keeps it warm, depending on what you're using it for. Just all around a great looking mug. I love that it's see-through and very elegant. So highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.